Why did you just yawn?
Because you just yawned.
Why does that have to happen?
I'm not sure if I understand.
No, 'cause I just yawned. Then you yawned. You yawned.
Well, you know, it's just what happens. Yawns. Everybody, I don't know why you're getting so ruffled up about it.
Well,
Yawns are like contagious. Chicken pox, like chicken pox.
no, because I yawned. And what did you think? You know what? That's a great idea. I'm just gonna yawn back. Like follow the in crowd. Know what you do?
Well, you know, coffee. Coffee?
No.
Really?
You want cereal?
Yo, I'm just gonna catch a ride and get up out of here. You know what they say about two cooks in the kitchen and something about heat.